Hi, so I wanted to show you how you can look up your own natal chart so you can see where your houses lie, what signs they're in, and other fun places like where your planets are. That way, when I talk a lot about astrology, you will have a vantage point of your own. So, the site that I like to use is astro.com. And the reason I like this site is because they have some more locational astrology features than some others. So when you come here, you can create your own profile. I am already logged in. And when you go here, you can go to stored astro data, or you can come over to this hamburger and go to my astro, stored astro data. Now this will save all of the charts that you have already made, but let's add a new one here. And I'll put my nickname in there and we will just put my birth information so you can see how this is done. And then once you have this information in, I will say, try to be as accurate as possible about the time. Look at your birth certificate because even 4 minutes off can change where the angles lay in your chart. We will do USA, and then this will populate for you. There we go. Now I'm creating the chart, and then when we go down here, I'm going to click it. I suggest going to extended chart selections here, and we're going to do a couple settings. When we come down to zodiac and houses, we're going to select whole signs. Now, what this is going to do, it's going to put every house in its own sign. This is what I practice. I practice traditional, tropical, Hellenistic whole sign house astrology. So the rest of this will already be preset. I would also recommend here, click True Node, and then you're good to go. We're going to scroll to the bottom, show the chart. All right, so then you're going to get this. And what's really cool is, like I said, each house will be in its own sign. And then you can even come down here, if this is like a little small for you to read some of the angles or some of the degrees, you can come down here and it'll say Sun 15 degrees in Virgo. And it'll show you also all of the aspects down here for your chart. But this is what I would do so that you can see, like, for example, we are beginning the eclipse season with Virgo and Pisces. So you might want to see, okay, Virgo is in my first house of identity, and Pisces is in my seventh house of partnerships. So this is just something that you could use and refer back to. And then there's more features on this site, but I really just wanted to show you how you can get your own natal chart, and then you can always save that on your computer in a little file. But if you have any questions about how to do this or any other questions about anything else with the astrology, let me know in the comments.